Alright, we're box breaking the SBX 1415, brought to you by Bootios. Then make sure you ain't booty. Also brought to you by Leo, who owns 2/3 of this box right now. So, here's your box. You'll see a lot of Leo. He's like, I want a quad Horvat, and so we bought just about everything. But first things first, we gotta see which teams go into this one. 3 teams go into SPX2. We're gonna move our Bootios box. Then we're going to go to our randoms. We're going to do this 3 times. Top 3 teams. 1, 2, 3. It'll be Chicago, Leafs, and Rangers. They get the 3 spots. So let's find out who's got what here. So Chicago is Alfred. So Alfred, this is 24. It's 25. Slot 25 is the Maple Leafs, which is Leo, and the New York Rangers, which is also Leo. So Leo gets 2 of the spots. That puts Leo at 4 slots on this break. That when it finally fires. So here are the guys that aren't Leo that has slots. Then there is Leo. There we go. Let's do work. Leo, I just gotta say, you're one crazy mofo. I really hope you pull something fantastic out of this box. Well, I hope all of you get something good out of this box, but anybody that wants to buy 2/3 of a box needs to get a hit. If you get 0 hits in this box, I don't know what I'll do. We got 12 packs for 4 cards a pack, with a bonus pack, which is right there. We'll save the bonus pack for last. Guess we'll show you the empty box. Oh, great. Time to do work. Well, Leo's already making a comment here, so let's find out what he's doing.
He's right. And there's no reason to cry over spilled Cabernet. All you need is some Persil Pro Clean.
Here we go. So first up we have Cabernet. Second one up, it's an SPX rookie, so we'll just do that one last. We got Datsuk. We got a Martin St. Louis for the Rangers. And then we have for Leo. It is a rookie, not autographed, but it's the Calgary Flames, Josh Juris. Josh Juris. Hit for Leo.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Next up we have Hendrik Zetterberg.
BCAA members can find money almost anywhere.
Jonathan Taze.
100,000 partner locations worldwide and on BCAA insurance.
Cody Hodgins.
Membership for only $99. Membership.
Dustin Bufflin. Next hit is for Leo from the St. Louis Blues of Jersey. Rookie inaugural materials for Ty Ratty. Leo's going to get enough hits in this box that he can just flat out trade for the card he's looking for, I think.
Next into the den, 2 graduates from Southern Ontario, hoping to impress the Dragons with brains and
Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. This one.
My name is Petty Ramadi. It's my brother Paul. We are from Mississauga.
We got a Steve Mason.
An online personal training and nutrition system.
We got a Jamie Benn.
$40,000.
And this one
For 20% of our company.
goes to.
Nearly.
Yeah, check down this long list. Goes to Pittsburgh and Leo.
2/3 of the North
Evgeny Malkin.
overweight or obese. What's even worse is that studies indicate
Nice little
that these
insert there.
numbers will continue to rise. Dragons, may we present the optimal you. Your online one-stop shop for fitness and nutrition. This system is very
Taylor
hard to
Hall.
understand. And best of all,
Ryan gets left.
it delivers results.
An SPX rookie.
What do you mean, okay?
That does not go to Leo.
You look so much like
So what happens when you own 2/3 of the box? Sometimes the other third of the box comes out. This one's for Chicago and Alfred. Scott Darling.
Why not Arlene? Paul, can you come over and just do a muscle thing?
No.
I'm just going to make 2 separate piles of inserts. One for Leo, one for not for Leo.
Are you kidding me? You gotta get focused now. You don't get focus.
All right, David. So you want to get odds like these?
Well, that was a thick one.
All right, we're going to show you how.
But Craig Anderson.
Use new portal
This one goes to
with online personal training
the
and
Nashville Predators in Leo. It is a rookie algorithm materials out of 99.
And extend the
Jennifer Rock.
jaw. That's it.
Nice looking patch. For Leo, out of 100. Hopefully you can use that for to go towards the Horvat you're looking for.
So what we have
We got Adam Henrique. We have a that one last. Rick Nash.
So now that you finished your workout,
Patrick
what do
Kane.
you eat? Go to the meal section of
Drop
our
the
website.
thing. This one goes to the Colorado Avalanche.
42 meals based on
And dare I say Leo.
Meeting on a weekly basis for a while, and you'll start combining.
Rindulic, Colorado.
that's one thing that we're integrating into this.
That goes into the pile of Leo stuff that is getting increasingly larger.
Just by email. It's a complete
6 packs left in the bonus pack.
everything from your lifestyle to your eating.
Another thick card.
Have you guys invested in this so far?
To be honest, it's a lean startup company.
It's a rookie autograph, so we're going to put that one on the bottom.
But that doesn't include all of the money that
Then we're going to save it for last.
we got 5 degrees between the two.
Rookie autograph.
Where'd you go to school?
We did our undergrad at U of
So
T.
we got a Ovechkin,
Holistic nutrition program.
That's impressive.
Halak.
Yes.
This one goes to Jason Douglas at the Edmonton Oilers.
You've gone to your website.
Taylor Hall.
In the last year, the online store we sold.
That pile goes in the not Leo pile.
And that's 100% profit with zero marketing. What is the $40,000 for? Our goal with your strategic partnership is to sign up 10,000 members
Here we go.
in 2 years.
Shea Weber,
How are you gonna go get the
Claude Giroux,
One of the first things we want to do is
SPX rookies,
we've seen being in the fitness industry, we've seen many
Martin Brodeur for the St. Louis Blues, Danny Alert, Danny Alert, St. Louis Blues is owned by, take a wild guess who owns St. Louis Blues.
One thing that separates us from the rest is credit.
So this one
We have rookies,
is an SPX rookie
nutritionists. We believe more people
for
I think you guys are
Leo in the Minnesota Wild.
very
Bolin.
skilled, very talented,
There you
very
go.
capable. I think you have all of the right ingredients to have the qualifications to do this. But my company is
This one is another jersey card, by the looks of it. So we got Ryan O'Reilly,
I mean, that would just be a complete conflict. for
we got
me
Duncan
to
Keith,
also
which we'll
be
show you. We got a Yarmir Jagr,
premium model right now that come from
Carlson, and this one is
convert them to a paid customer.
out of $3.99 rookie jersey
track record. And yes, we sold 250 units in the last
for,
year with zero marketing, and that's
what team is it
$30,000
saying?
profit.
There it is. Who owns that one? For Alfred and the Dallas Stars,
To acquire the clients at a
Patrick
reasonable
Nemeth.
price. I can't make any judgment.
Out of
especially in
$3.99
the competitive landscape. So,
for Alfred.
despite the fact we have incredibly similar
Another a non-Leo hit. It's only the third non-Leo hit so far.
Well, I'll go next, guys. I mean, you know, you guys.
Jason
are
Palmanville,
But I don't want to be lift off.
Eric Stahl.
I'm done. I'm out.
So this one,
Okay, why don't we look at
Cam
this?
Ward, goes to Alfred and Chicago.
$40,000.
Patrick Sharp.
$30,000 in Facebook advertising. With 4% conversion rate, that'll put us at 5,000 members in 1 year.
The problem with that is $30,000 won't get you 5,000 recurring members as well.
Judowdy.
But we've studied our competitors and we see there's 4%.
Wayne Gretzky.
Yeah, but that was what they put in money-wise.
Well, we're basing it on their following.
Nicholas Backstrom. This one is
Side basis and not from a
study case basis, 'cause I think of it.
For the San Jose Sharks, and Alfred.
That's why you let jealous.
Chris Tierney.
I come down.
Alfred is actually not doing half bad in this one. So we'll do the bonus pack first, then we'll show you the big card.
Minimum of $5 million just to get out the front door. So until you're there,
So first up,
place where you can start performing.
Finite Rookies, Winnipeg Jets, Adam Lowry.
You mean leverage ourselves over other personal trainers?
Hell yeah. Like leverage on top. But
Winnipeg is owned by
like, go to a place where you can use leverage.
Leo. And that's the only card in this bonus pack.
Use it quiet.
Finite Rookies, Adam Lowry.
You haven't got much.
Out of
Nothing getting into this business.
$2.99.
Spent over $100,000
All right.
in our education.
Let's see, break over, but no, we got a card here.
And amazes me
All right.
what you've done already.
So first up, we'll show you the Zach Parise.
Scratch yourselves.
And this is a rookie, SPX Rookies autograph, out of 50.
But at 20%, I walk into this business.
This one belongs to Leo,
And right now your valuation is at 80,000.
but it's a Boston Bruin, Joe Morrow. Says Boston Bruins, but says Go Hawks on it.
Give yourself 6 months to a year and then come
I
back.
don't get it. It clearly says Boston.
Show me what else you can do with
He's
it.
wearing Boston.
For that reason about
The back says Boston. Mega Hawks. There you go, Leo. Not the card you're looking for, but you got good trade bait in there. So there you go.